Asian dad. Last time I put...
You want to record for the best thing for me, then somebody blame on me.
Last time I showed your parking and they laughed. We're at Costco. I'm not going to show my face because I don't have makeup on. Do you think I'm still cute with no makeup?
Yeah.
What? Really?
Yep. You're cute. You're so cute all the time. Without the makeup or makeup.
I paid him to say that.
Yeah.
What does that mean when you hit it?
Like here for the sound. It's hard or soft.
We don't know how to pick watermelon. If you guys know, comment below. I've been obsessed with these drinks, so right now they're on sale. You guys can see. Normally 20, they're on sale for 15. They're really good. So these were on sale, so I bought them and they had a sample and it was really good. So these are mini wontons. They're chicken and cilantro. They're so good. And macros are not that bad. There's ways that you can eat it with soup, with rice, salad, and macros are not that bad. So I'm happy about these. And yeah, they were on sale, so I got them. Has some toothpaste. I used to eat these all the time. They're not good for you, but they were on sale and it's nice to have it once in a while. Once in a while I'll crave like a breakfast sandwich, which you can easily make, but I'm lazy, so I just bought these. We got green tea, which I always buy at Costco too. This is like my favorite green tea. It's really healthy for you. I talk about green tea all the time and this is the best. My family loves this too. We bought Spam because we always eat Spam. These organic tortilla chips, I heard these were really good. I've seen them in a lot of hauls and they're organic and they're made with like flaxseed, sesame seed, and quinoa. So really healthy ingredients, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. They're from the brand Food Should Taste Good. And then I bought this mirror. My friend used to tell me all the time about this mirror and I would always try to go to Costco to find it, but they never had it. So I think this is the same brand. It's called Natural Daylight LED Vanity Mirror and it has like a light and I like it because it's actually quite tall. You guys, look how many packages I have and I was only gone for 3 days. One weekend. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 packages. Some of the stuff I ordered, a lot of it though is PR. Yeah, this is insane, but I'm gonna be doing a weekly vlog, so you guys will see all this stuff probably in this vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if I look a little different, it's because this is actually the makeup I wear every single day, but I never vlog myself wearing my everyday makeup because I don't know, I just always like to wear like my full face makeup. But today I thought let's do a real vlog, like a real vlog of what I actually do on a daily basis. Typically for like my vlogs, I'll go somewhere and like do something a little bit more exciting than just like being at home. But lately all I've been watching is at home vlogs because I'm such a homebody. Like I'm always at home and I love being at home. I'm never bored. So I don't know, that's all I like to watch because it's relatable, like people cleaning and people just making coffee, people eating breakfast. Like, I don't know, I just like those kind of vlogs. So I'm gonna try it out today and see how it is. I'm gonna try to do a long vlog. It might be accumulation of like a couple days, I don't know. If you guys do want to see a makeup tutorial on my everyday makeup, let me know. Or if you guys want to see like my glam, I guess not, it's not glam, but the makeup I normally wear, if you guys want to see that video with like lashes. I wear lashes because I have no lashes. You guys see this? People think, like my friends always tell me, you're so cute when you just wear mascara, but I just don't. I don't know, I feel like I'm not wearing any makeup, but like I'm still wearing makeup, you know? But I thought today I would treat myself to some coffee because I have a lot to do in my room. They also have pumpkin spice now. I have actually never tried pumpkin spice. If you guys have tried it, let me know if you guys like it or you don't like it because I feel like it's like half and half. Like some people like it and some people hate it. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me try it because I think that'd be kind of funny to see my reaction. So I got a tall iced latte with 1 pump of white mocha syrup and 1 pump of toffee nut syrup, which is supposed to taste like the caramel brulee latte that only comes around during November and December around the holidays. It is my favorite drink ever. It is so good, iced, hot, or in a frap. Like, it's so good. And I guess this is supposed to be like kind of like a secret to get it all year round. So we're gonna try it and see if it's good. I think I'm getting sick because I just feel like my voice is not how it normally is, and I'm like really tired. Like my eyes, like I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my god, I look so tired. I don't normally sit this close to the steering wheel, by the way. I do it when I vlog. I like scoot my chair up, but I normally sit like super far from the wheel because I like to be like chilling when I drive, like lounging. You guys, this coffee is so good.
And that's a whole lot of love, they trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what my room is looking like. Basically, the past, I want to say like 2 weeks on and off, because I just got back from Seattle. So like 2 weeks on and off, I've been trying to declutter my room and give my room basically a complete makeover. My room right now that you guys have been seeing is like such a child room. Like, it is a childish room. I've had this room since I was in high school, and I'm obviously a different person now. So I did buy some stuff online, and when that comes, I'm gonna do my room makeover video, and show you guys like how my new room is gonna look. You guys always ask me for like a room tour, but honestly, it's nothing cute or special at all. So if you guys live in the Portland area and you guys want to buy my vanity, let me know. Like, DM me on Instagram, because I do want to sell that. It's in really good condition because I've been in college the past 4 years. I just graduated in May, so everything's like pretty much new. I honestly want to get rid of everything, like even my bed frame I want to get rid of. Everything's white, which was like my theme, and now I kind of like the more dark, so I don't really know. I don't want to just like throw it or like donate it, because everything's in really good condition and practically like new, because I wasn't here. I've lived in like 2 different apartments and a house. These things have not even been touched. Like, I've had like stuff in it, but I haven't really used it because I was in college, and I had different stuff when I was in college. I had like black stuff. I didn't even have a bed frame, and I ended up selling everything when I left. So all this stuff was like stuff that has just been in my house, but no one's used it except me. So let me know if you guys want it. But yeah, so I pretty much want to reorganize my room, and I will be doing that video. But yes, so I bought a bunch of stuff. I bought like hangers. I'm gonna like completely do over everything. I just have so much stuff, and I feel like my room is like a really good size. It's not like huge, but it's not small. It's just the way that my room is like organized, like the walls and stuff, it makes it a little bit hard to kind of organize, but I will show you guys kind of what I'm doing. Right, so this right here is like next to my bed. I didn't make my bed yet, I'm sorry. But yeah, so this is my clothing rack I got from Walmart, and it's been giving me a couple issues because it will be like slanted. Like, my dad just fixed it yesterday, but it's a little bit slanted still, but it's okay. It keeps like going like that. Like, one side will be like, and it looks like it's gonna break, but it is really cheap. It was like 15 bucks, and it does come with like extenders right here to put like more stuff, but I took it off just because I feel like it will balance a little bit better. But I bought all these new black hangers. I hope you guys can see. I bought them off Amazon, and I also bought these pant hangers. As you guys can see, I really like them. So I just ordered more, and they just came today off Amazon Prime. As you can see, I started buying these hangers back in the day because I was like, one day I'm gonna have all velvet hangers, but it kind of got to the point where I really needed hangers, and I just bought whatever color that was there. So I have like beige, purple, pink, and blue, and then now I have black. So before I was using the plastic ones, you guys can see the difference that it gives. I don't know if you guys can really see because of lighting, but it's a huge difference versus these plastic hangers. I always thought I would use these plastic hangers, but now I'm over it. So that's one of the projects I'm doing, is redoing all my hangers. So I started on my rack first. This is actually all stuff that I'm selling. I'm having a friend come over today to look at my clothes. I'm trying to sell like a lot of it or all of it if I can. But yeah, if you guys live in the area and you guys wear like a small/medium in shirts and then like a medium pant, let me know. Instagram DM me. But yeah, I'm also selling shoes and stuff like that. But anyways, all this, I just thought I'd leave it on the hanger so that she could look at it. But a bunch of shirts, 2 pieces, and you guys have probably seen a lot of these in my hauls. That one I wore in my Taco Bell mukbang video. I have like blouses, off the shoulder tops, some rompers. These are all rompers. And then like a dress. I actually just wore this in my outfits of the week. Another dress. Some of the stuff is new, like this jacket. I have like my North Face jackets I'm selling. I actually have never worn these. They're like brand new. And then jumpsuits, a denim jacket, 2-piece. So yeah, I'm selling all that. After she comes and I like reorganize that, I'll put my pants back. These are things from Dolls Kill that they had sent me. It was right there. I literally had boxes right there. So I cleaned that out last night while I was watching The Challenge, my favorite show. And then I cleaned out that quickly. I just kind of went through it and I was like, do I use this? Nope, I don't use this. I literally don't use like anything in those drawers besides some of the palettes. I mostly use everything like right there. This box right here is all the stuff I cleaned out, and there's hair everywhere. And I'm not even done. I could honestly do another sweep, but I have like palettes that I've never used. This one, I just have the new Carly Bible, so I like that one better. A bunch of powders and foundation, setting spray, some skincare, a bunch of like lipsticks. My stepmom would actually like this. I might give that to her. But a bunch of eyeshadow palettes and just so much stuff, like L'Oreal stuff. I have a lot of stuff that's like new. Yeah, and then that stuff that I just brought, that's stuff I always use. I just brought it from Seattle, so I haven't unpacked it. But yeah, it's just crazy. And then these bags are clothes as well. This one's shoes I cleaned out, bikinis, and that one is more clothes. These are the hangers I got. So I got the 100 pack of the velvet ones. I believe they're 40 bucks for 100. These ones are the pant hangers I got. These are really expensive. For 12, you only get 12, and it's like $17, which is a lot, but they're really nice pant hangers. I'm really picky with them. I bought like 2 different kinds, and this was the one I like, so that's the brand right there. And this right here is all my new shoes. I'm gonna be doing a fall shoe video, so stay tuned for that. But I got so much cute shoes. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys. So that's what I'm working on today. I kind of tried to do like each corner at a time, like each section at a time, so my room's not completely messy. I mean, it is messy right now. Started with my closet. I did a sweep, like a clean sweep. Then I did my clothing rack, and then I did that corner with my makeup. So I do need to clean out my dresser. I might try to sell my stuff on OfferUp, like that whole makeup bundle, my vanity, maybe my bed frame, and my dresser. But I thought I'd tell you guys first, just in case one of you guys want to buy it first. I know I have some viewers in the area, so let me know. Instagram DM me. I'm also selling this. I posted it on my Instagram, and this is from Bombay Hair. It's a 5-in-1 curling wand. I probably used it like 3 times, and it's practically new. It comes with 5 different barrels and then the convertible barrel. So if you guys are interested in this, Instagram DM me. Let me turn this down really quick. Yeah, so I did this part now, my dresser. So my original plan is actually to move this dresser over there, but I don't know where I'd put that then if I did that. So I had my perfume rack thingy there and I moved it here. It looks a little weird, but for the time being, it's just gonna be there. But this little thing is from Target. But I just put it there, and then this is my jewelry that I need to haul for fall. My sunglasses rack is still here, and I had a bunch of boxes here I wanted to use for decor, so I put them over here. And so far I don't have that many boxes, but I am gonna have some coming in. So I don't know why I really like using boxes for decor. I just think it's really cute. So I have like my Gucci box, my Chanel box. This is just a little Alex and Ani box, which is gonna be replaced soon, but I like it because it has the bow. And then these are House of CB. I love House of CB. I love their boxes, so that's on the top. And then those are my Fenty Puma slide boxes.